We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Replacing a hard drive with an SSD is one of the best things you can do to dramatically improve the performance of your older computer. If you have just one drive in your laptop or desktop, you could replace an HDD or small SSD with a 1 TB SSD for less than $150.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.